Hello everyone. Welcome to My Move's latest property viewing with me, Victor Sims. Today we're here in beautiful SOTOGRANDE, Andalusia. We're going to be taking a look at a fully remodeled 4-bedroom waterfront property with these spectacular views. Follow me. So today I'm here with Ben Bateman from Home SOTOGRANDE, the longest established estate agency here in SOTOGRANDE. We're here today at a waterfront luxury property. Thanks for having me, Ben. What can you tell me about the property?
Thank you, Victor. Well, thanks for coming. Well, as you say, it's a luxury waterfront house in the heart of the SOTOGRANDE Marina. It's been exquisitely refurbished by Patricia Darch Interiors, who have their showroom here in SOTOGRANDE. The property is distributed over 4 floors, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. There's a private deck with your own private pool, and at the bottom of the garden a 16-meter berth for your private yacht or whatever, or small boat if you want to just cruise around SOTOGRANDE and the beaches, whichever. The island on which the house is located is a private island in the middle of the marina. You've got 180-degree views and easy walking distance to all the shops, bars, restaurants, the beaches. And really it's an exquisite location and a unique opportunity for someone who likes the finer things in life to acquire a waterfront property.
Perfect. Yeah, I can see the views are great here. What can you tell me about the residents that live here?
Well, the people that frequent SOTOGRANDE are usually family-orientated people who like the finer things in life, usually enjoy outdoor sporting activities from tennis, golf, polo, other equestrian sports. But people who live in the marina on a waterfront property such as this will also enjoy boating, and having the opportunity to have your own yacht at the bottom of your garden is really quite unique.
Perfect. That's great. Well, let's get on with the tour.
Wonderful. Let's go.
Here on the bottom floor, you'll find the living and dining area. The living room coming fully equipped with state-of-the-art surround sound, a cozy fireplace, and marble flooring throughout. Moving on to the dining area, you can see it's fairly spacious itself, accommodating up to 8 people with 2 views, both facing the waterfront and a direct access to the patio. And the kitchen fully equipped with a state-of-the-art stainless steel appliances, white cabinetry covered in beautiful black granite, again with direct access to the deck. And here, the master bedroom, my favorite of all rooms, again with spectacular, breathtaking marina views, another cozy fireplace to enjoy a quiet summer night, and here you'll find direct access to your own private terrace. With more than 30 square meters, enjoy a nice summer day watching the boats pass by and spending time with your loved ones. Here on the first floor, you'll find your 3 spacious bedrooms, all of them which containing, again, a breathtaking marina view. 2 sharing 1 common restroom, and this one here with a in-suite bathroom. Find yourself on the top floor in a quiet office with direct access to your private solarium. Picture yourself in this spectacular terrace with almost everything you could imagine. A private pool for days you're not at the beach, large enough accommodation for anybody you decide to bring over, and a 16-meter berth for any boat you decide to park. Thank you guys for watching the presentation. If you guys would like any more information regarding the townhouse, please feel free to refer back to the link to the My Move website. From there you can contact a supporting agent. Until then, see you guys soon.